DJI is not like GoPro. On the GoPro, we click on the eye. We could see exactly what we shot at. I don't want to go through every single detail, but here is the bit rate, the shutter, the EV, the white balance, the ISO, everything that I set my camera to. And let me get back to the DJI. You have these four little squares. You could click on one that'll bring you back to that video. And DJI needs to correct this. This is a back button. It should back out to the play. It backs out to the actual screen. So let me get back to the area, stop the video. We have a favorite that we could save, and hey, this was the shot that was my favorite, and it gives a heart, and I could take the heart off. If I wanted to raise and decrease the volume, I could do it over there. After so many seconds, it goes back. And that's about it. With the back button here, at least we go back into the screen. We have the trash button. We have a edit button, a stop button, and a volume for the speaker button and an I button. Maybe one day DJI will get what GoPro has that may help you out in trying to figure out what you shot. And like said, make a little card, put it in front of the camera, and when you take it away, record and cut out. That's a nice tip, but it's a lot of editing involved. Hope this video has helped you out. DJI is timed out.